This is the most boring Saturday ever. Wait, what is that buzzing sound?
I have an important mission. I am looking for bugs today.
Bugs? How many bugs do you want to catch?
Okay, Maya, let's go.
Great! I bet we can find 10 interesting bugs before lunch. Look, Leo. A tiny green bug is sitting on this leaf. Wow. Be careful. It might be faster than... Whoa! It jumped!
We caught 0 bugs, but we caught the jar!
Maya, look under that rock. Oh, that beetle is much bigger than the first bug.
Stop, little beetle! Why are you telling it to stop? Why are you telling it to stop? It cannot understand you!
Bug number 1, very, very fast beetle.
That is correct! It was faster than both of us!
Look, Maya! Those tiny bugs are walking on the water.
How can they do that? Maybe they have tiny shoes. Leo, look! We found a bug hotel.
A bug hotel? Do the bugs have tiny beds and breakfast?
The bugs can hide inside these little rooms when they need safety.
So this really is a hotel for tiny guests. Maya, please help me. There is a grasshopper on my shoulder.
Do not move, Leo. It might jump again. Leo, now it is on my notebook.
You laughed at me first. Now the grasshopper is laughing at you.
Hello, explorers! I see you found our little bug hotel.
Yes, we have been watching the insects all... Wait, is this a picnic table for insects?
Yes, the little visitors enjoy safe pieces of fruit here.
That tiny ant is carrying something bigger than its body.
Insects may be small, but they can do amazing things.
Maya, look at this hole in the old tree.
Maybe insects are living inside. Let us look carefully. Leo, I found something inside the tree.
A red ribbon? Why would a ribbon be hiding here?
Maya, I think we should give these bees some space.
Good idea. We can watch them without getting too close. Look, Leo. The little red trail continues toward those trees.
Then our strange bug adventure is not finished yet.
Look at those butterflies. They are all flying the same way.
Maybe they know where the red trail goes. Maya, I have never seen this garden before.
Neither have I. It looks like a secret bug world. 1, 2, 3. More are appearing. They look like tiny stars on the ground. 3 lights, then 3, then 5, then 3. Again.
That sounds like a secret message.
I think the fireflies are trying to tell us something. 3, 3, 5, 3.
Maybe they are giving us directions.
Let us follow them, but we stay on the path.
Yes, we can explore without disturbing the garden. Now the butterflies are here too.
Maybe every bug in the park knows this place.
Whoa! That is the biggest moth I have ever seen!
It is huge, but it is beautiful.
It is Leo and Maya. The garden should only be observed from the path. It is getting dark. Please stay on the path.
We will. We are only watching the insects.
This garden gives insects a safe place to live.
I think watching them is much better than catching them.
Bees help flowers, and many insects help keep the park healthy.
I never knew tiny bugs could do so much.
Our jars are still empty.
That is okay. We discovered something better than catching bugs. Today we learned that we do not need to catch a bug to have an adventure.
That is a very good lesson.
Thank you for showing us the garden.
You are welcome. Keep looking carefully, young explorers.
Tomorrow, I think we should do something completely normal.
Good idea. No bugs tomorrow.
See? Yubai have a normal day? Even when we stop looking for bugs, they find me!
Maybe you are their favorite person?
What a day. We caught almost nothing.
But we learned a lot.
The jars are empty, but I think they are full of memories. That sounds pretty good. Good night, little friend. Tomorrow, I promise I will not try to catch you.
I thought the park was boring before. Sometimes you just need to slow down and notice the little things.